Nikunj is asking, how is the dynamic profile different from the one we use? All right, let us go back to this chart. Now see, what is happening is, this is a regular, VSA indicator. This is the VSA indicator, all right, Bell VSA Pro. And in this, you have to define the range on which you want to plot volume profile. So I have selected month. I'm using daily data. So if you are plotting say weekly or monthly profiles, you use daily data. That is much better. Don't use intraday data. If you want to plot intraday profiles like days profile on a 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart, then you use you select here day, and then you select here minute. All right, and that will give you a nice profile intraday. But if you want to go beyond that, then you have to use daily data. Now I'm doing that, and it is plotting profile for every month, right? So if you look at this, every month there is a profile. It starts at the first day of the month and it continues plotting. But now what dynamic profile does is, it lets you select the range you want to plot your profile on. So let's I select this bar, and I draw it till this low. Let us do it again. Start with this high and go till this low. Okay, now what are you seeing here is a profile for just this high to this low. Now why this is useful is because if I don't want to use all this, right, because some softwares will also plot a profile on this right side, but they will use all the data. So what this helps us do is, it helps us pinpoint legs and where the HVNs are in that leg. So in this particular leg, from here to here, where is my HVN? It is right here. All right, now if you are plotting monthly profiles, you will also get some idea about that. It's not very difficult, but sometimes you might need that. Okay, like if you want to plot profiles from here to here, and where are the important HVNs, so I can very simply go here, select a start bar, and then just drag this to the low. And now what I know is that I have important HVNs, one here, one here, and one at the bottom. So you can see, we find resistance once, we come back down, we find support here, we go back, go above that, and then again as soon as you hit this HVN, you see some stalling of the prices, and then we again go back up, and then finally we come closer to the high and we fall. So what is happening inside of individual profiles can be understood much better using this dynamic profile indicator, right? So if you go to this indicator, we can change different settings. All right, so if I go to this dynamic profile, I don't want to, let's say, see volume profile numbers. Histogram width is let's say I want to keep it a little smaller, 15. Don't show current session, MP lines, no. Half back line I don't want. So the lesser number of things you plot, faster this indicator will work, and lesser resources it will consume. All right, so all these things are there. You can change the colors of the profile based on what you want, like bottom table. Now you don't want to see this bottom table, what exactly is going on, you just untick it, and it won't show. All right, and then left volume area also we are not seeing. So all these things, I don't find them useful, so I just don't use them. And you can see volume opacity color, this is what I was trying to find. So if I make it 0.5, these profiles will not be as dark and you will be able to see through them. All right, so many things are here. If you really want to dive deep into and see more information, there's so many settings here. I am the worst possible user of these softwares, because I just deactivate everything. I don't want to see many things on the chart. All right, so see, now we have this. You can also change the brick size. There should be a setting somewhere, and that is the benefit of this. Okay,